Hey guys, it's Kim here. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we'll be doing a LovLuv unboxing video. If you guys aren't familiar with LovLuv, LovLuv is a Korean skincare slash makeup brand. I ordered it off Amazon and I got their skincare slash makeup set. So I got the set that comes with BB cream, lip cream, eye makeup, and more. It's literally only $14. This makeup set was meant for traveling and just something you throw in your purse on the go. And I'm pretty excited to use these products because I'll be going on a trip at the end of the year to Japan. You have the option to either get a skincare or a makeup set, but if you want you can try both of it together. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this. These are just my Hello Kitty scissors. So here is the makeup pouch. It's in a clear bag, so if you were to go through the airport, this will check out fine. They require you to have like a clear bag so that you can see everything and check everything out for you. Just letting you guys know, this is a sponsored video, but all my opinions are mine, and I'll be testing out all these products in front of you and everything. Some of you are probably wondering, like, why would you even need a skincare makeup kit if you already have some at home? But like for me personally, like just my eyeliner alone, it costs like $20, and if I were to lose like little bits of my skincare or makeup products in like a hotel or forgot it and left it behind while traveling, I'd be pretty devastated. So if I were to pick up a kit like this and take it with me traveling, I won't feel as bad or devastated to lose anything. Also, they put it all in these little pouches. I think they look really cute, and they kind of remind me of like jelly smacks. And they all come in like these really cute different colors. Deep Hinoki Moisturizer. I would love to use something like this on the plane. Okay, this one doesn't have a brush, which I think is okay because it's a moisturizer. Why would I even need a brush for a moisturizer? For some reason I was expecting a brush and I was like kind of weirded out, like where did my brush go? So it seems to absorb in my skin pretty well. I feel like there's a faint smell, but it just disappears so fast that I don't think I really smelled anything. If you're familiar with K-beauty, sunscreen is pretty big, and it actually comes with sunscreen, and that's really thoughtful because I never really thought to bring sunscreen when I'm out traveling. So it comes in this really cute sunflower pouch right here. Oh my god, I like literally love all the designs of these pouches. Usually you get this weird scent from sunscreens. If you've used sunscreens before, you know what I'm talking about. And I think there's a scent in here that actually masks the smell of those sunscreens, which I like because I hate the smell of like traditional sunscreen. Okay, here is a BB cream. I got the number 21 shade. Hopefully that is the correct shade for me. Wow, so this actually can help prevent sunburns as well. Decreases risk of skin cancer and aging. And it has an SPF of 15. It even mentions to wear a hat and a long sleeve shirt. I think that's kind of cute. I think this is enough BB cream to maybe last me, I'll be generous about it, a little less than a week. The shade looks pretty good. I was worried it'd be too light. Looks like I have here an eyeliner. Wow. And this kind of thing? They're like, it's in the little baggie. I wonder how that works. Okay, I'm assuming this right here is going to be a brush because I don't know how it's going to work out. So this little pouch here is supposed to be eyeliner. I'm assuming this little nozzle here will bring out a brush. If not, I'm gonna be a little lost. Oh my god, it is an eyeliner, and it's liquid eyeliner as well. Wow. Whoever thought of this is probably like genius. Like just have little pouches of makeup and just stick a brush in it. I like that idea a lot. Glad they didn't just go with something generic like regular pencil. This is an eyeshadow. You know what? I don't know how they're gonna do this. I never had a liquidy eyeshadow before, which I'm assuming this is. It looks like a little peachy kind of color. So here is the color of the eyeshadow. It looks like a nudish color. I must swatch it on my hand right here. Oh. And it seems to have like a slight shine to it. I actually really like this color. Okay, there is mascara in here as well. So what I noticed, you kind of had to like wiggle it a little bit until it touches the product. Here is the mascara. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this right here. It's a black tea clay mask. I didn't even know they make black tea masks. Exfoliates, clears sebum, refresh, and refines. Okay, I'm gonna try out this lip tint here. It's supposed to be a nude color. Here is the color. So what you gotta do is just like squeeze onto the bottom and then the product will go up so the brush can reach it. Oh, it feels so different compared to using a lip cream. It feels really cool. I feel like I taste some kind of flavor in this, but I don't really know what it is. But this is a lovely color. I love this. It feels like there's barely anything on my lip. At the same time, it was like super moisturizing. So my favorite products out of all of this so far will have to be the lip tint, the eyeshadow, and the sunscreen. I love the lip tint. It's like such a really pretty color and it feels so light and moisturizing. I haven't tried any lip tint before so I can't really compare, but compared to like my lip creams and chapstick, I love the feeling of this lip tint. The eyeshadow I thought was pretty amazing. Like, it's not like a dry eyeshadow, it's a liquid eyeshadow. I didn't even know they made those. This sunscreen, I would love a full-size version because it smells pretty good. The color seems to be like really nice, everyday colors. And I love the shade of like all the colors so far. Maybe if you're someone that's even like experimenting on makeup for the first time and you want to try a bunch of different little things without spending too much, I think this would also be a pretty good set because it has like everything from like skincare to makeup. The pouch itself looks reusable, so even if I'm done with all the products, I could just reuse this pouch for my other makeups. The only thing I'm wondering now is where do I get the full-size version of these? Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to check out LovLuv. The link will be down below in the description box. And bye!